while since we review HAYLOU products. So today we have the HAYLOU PURFREE Lite. Let's see if I got the name right. PURFREE Lite. Yes, I did. In this review, I'm going to tell you all about these bone conduction headphones. Price, specs, and in the end, I'm going to tell you if it's worth it. Stick around for the review. Starting with the price. The HAYLOU PURFREE Lite have a price tag of $59.99. But when you order them, you will see that you will get them for $36.99, a really good price. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. The box looks cool with this kind of orange color and the PURFREE Lite in the front. When you open the box, you have another black box, and then the PURFREE. But let's see if you have anything else. So, you have a very short USB-A to USB-C cable for charging, the manuals, and that's it. Looking at the PURFREE Lite, there is nothing too special about them. They look like all the other bone conduction headphones. You can get them in green like the one in review, and this is my favorite color, or you can get them in blue. They are very comfortable to use and light, with the band being titanium and the rest plastic. They weigh only 27 grams. On the right side is where everything is. So, at the right vibration pad, you have two mics. More on the mics later with the mic test. Then, on the main body, and still on the right side, you have the controls underneath. So, the first is the on and off button. That is also works as to increase the volume, and the other one is the button to decrease the volume. After that, you have the Type-C USB port for charging, and on top, you have the multifunctions button that, for example, will start or stop playing your music. This button is in the right place, in my opinion, and it's very easy to use. Talking about battery next, the PURFREE Lite has a really good battery life. They come with a 170 mAh battery that will give you a whopping 10 hours of playback time and 60 hours in standby. The headphones will take 2 hours to fully charge, but that's not all, because they also have fast charging, with 15 minutes of charging giving you 2 hours of playback time. Let's have a look at some of the specs next. So, they come with the advanced Qualcomm QCC3044 chipset, with a Bluetooth 5.2 and aptX and SBC audio codecs. They have an app or an app later. Like mentioned before, they have 10 hours of playback time in one charge with fast charging. They have seamless dual device connection, so you can connect your phone or your PC at the same time, for example. And they come with IP55 waterproof rating, meaning they can stand rain and sweat without any problems. Just before we talk about the sound quality, let's have a look at the mic sound quality. HAYLOU says they have advanced CVC, dual mic noise cancelling technology. Please be the judge on the next mic sound quality inside and outside. Right guys, so this is the sound of the HAYLOU PURFREE Lite. So inside of my house, no sound around. If you want to take a phone call, this is how they sound. We're going to go outside and do the same review. Right guys, so this is the sound of the HAYLOU PURFREE Lite outside. It's not wind today, so let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. This is how they will sound if you want to take a phone call outside. We're going to go back inside and carry on with the review. Sound quality. Let's start by saying that these are bone conduction headphones, so no matter what, the sound quality will only be the same of in-ear earbuds. The PURFREE Lite have 16mm drivers, and this helps to get rich sound. The highs are balanced and the mids also. Bass is also present but almost flat. In my opinion, the PURFREE Lite have good sound quality for this price point. Looking at the app, HAYLOU Sound. Unfortunately, you will need to log in. It's no guest mode. No good, HAYLOU. Anyway, the first page you have battery level. After that, you can turn on and off the multi-point connection. Second page, you can choose default sound or outdoor sound. Last page, you can update your headphones. A very simple app, I would say. So my final opinion, the HAYLOU PURFREE Lite are a very friendly budget option to choose. They are very comfortable to use, have great build quality, and a great battery life of 10 hours in one charge. If you need a new set of bone conduction headphones for running and don't want to break the bank, the PURFREE Lite are the right ones for you. And that's it, guys. This was our review on the HAYLOU PURFREE Lite. Let's put them on. Here we are. If you find any value in this review, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider it now. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.